Hi to my lovely cooking kids. We are living through some really interesting times, but I figured that just because we can't meet face to face doesn't mean that we can't all get cooking in the kitchen. You guys are welcome to either join in with me or to cook it when it suits you. But I want you guys to take this opportunity to get into the kitchen, to experiment, to roll up your sleeves and have a lot of fun. And to stay healthy. So we're going to make paella, which is a Spanish rice dish with some leftover chicken from Shabbos, which is super yum and delicious, but just another way of eating it. The base of the dish is rice. I like using basmati rice because it's super healthy, and curry powder over here, tomato paste, bit of soup stock, canola oil, onions and peppers as well. Okay guys, so we're going to make the rice. So for every cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. Okay, so we've put the rice on the stove. We've turned the stove on to high. Now to make the perfect rice actually cooks the best when it's steamed. So I like to put a cloth over the top and put the lid on. Now we're going to wait for this to boil. Once it starts boiling, we're going to turn it down to low and let it simmer, which means that it's just lightly, softly bubbling for another 10 minutes. And then we're going to turn it off for an additional 10 minutes to steam. Okay, so I've got my helper over here and he's going to cut the chicken that we've got left over into strips. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fry up some onions and peppers. So remember, the rule is always to keep your fingers far away from the knife. And what you do is you just go around the side of the pepper and you cut from the top to the bottom. The whole idea is, do you see how there's seeds in the middle? The idea is to cut around the seeds so we don't get them in our food. And now what we're going to do is we're just cutting, you see the white bit over here? We're just cutting the white bit off. We're just cutting it into little strips. Okay guys, so we've put our peppers in the pan and now it's slowly heating up nicely. So now we're going to cut up our onion. So what we do is we cut off each side, like the way I'm doing. And I'm just making a little cut, a light cut on the side here, just to get the outer layer of the onion. We're just going to cut it in half on the halfway through, like that. You see, in half.
Yeah.
And then when you turn it around. Tricky. Okay, now you can hear this is sizzling beautifully. Okay, so we're just going to mix it around, and we're going to throw in the onions. And we're just going to let it do its thing for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So my chef over here is going to put in 2 teaspoons of curry powder into the pan over there. Now he's going to mix it with the wooden spoon so that all the flavors come out nicely. And now we're going to just add, remember those chicken pieces? Look at this, delish.